reel. Now we want the big bonus, the one that has the lock. Yeah, we got it. Okay, this could be big. So Alright guys, I'm in the high limit room at the Venetian, and we're going to be doing some Wolf Run Gold. It's an IG2 machine. I'm doing 6 a spin. Sorry, I wanted to get that label in there, and then I forgot how screwy it is to get my tripod working. I got a bum leg here. I gotta get a new, I'm just gonna have to get a new one. I just bought this one. It's got a bum leg. Such annoyance. I sure hope I remember to edit that out. If I don't, I'm really sorry. Okay, let's do this. $6 a spin. Never played this game before. I'm assuming we need 3 bonuses. I think those wolves are wild. He's looking at me. He turned around and looked at me. It's kind of creeping me out. I think he's gonna eat me. He's kind of staring at me. His eyes are glowing. I don't know. Come on, wolf. Do something cool. Come on now. This isn't funny. Come on. Come on. Pay something, you know? See how fast we can lose this money. If I forgot to say, I had like 235 in there. I was playing for my other channel, Mid-South Slots, and I just played this new game, this new 3-reel, and had the best run I've ever had on the slot machine in my life. I hit 3 progressive jackpots. One of them was a hand pay. There we go. And like 5 different wins over $500. It was insane. I put in 300 and walked away up 5,100 in like less than 10 minutes. It was insane. So now I'm in the high limit room, kind of splurging a little. Everyone likes this game, so I thought I'd try it. I'm really not impressed so far. Come on, Wolfie Wolf. So far, we've only seen 1 bonus symbol. Maybe you get it with 2 or something. I don't know. Well, that must be it, because it's not giving us a 2 tees for sure. Oh my, wow, that was terrible. Okay, I'll give it 1 more 100. I'm feeling stupid. You know how it gets when you win a ton of money playing slots, you know? And then you're like, oh, I can do whatever. And then like before you know it, you lost it all back. Like I'm already down 1,000. Come on. So we need Wolf Run to turn around here. Come on. So maybe it's just 2 bonus symbols. Maybe it's just 1, 2. That's all I'm seeing. Y'all tell me. I'm sure y'all know if you're watching this. No, because I just saw one right there. Go. 28 bucks. Probably our biggest win. White Wolves. No, that's not a line? Okay. Lame. Jacks galore. 14 bucks. Give us the freaking bonus already. Do it. Lame. Takes that much just to get a tease. I don't know. Don't know. I'm assuming it's only on these three reels in the middle. Yeah, I'll take my $3 elsewhere, guys. I'm not feeling it on this one. That was Wolf Run Gold from the High Limit Room with the Venetian. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, I'm in the High Limit Room with the Venetian. I got $509 in Eagle Bucks. I guess we'll do 10 lines. $1 a pop. Kinda got volume. Not great volume. Let me see. It's kind of an old machine, so I'm not seeing volume on here. Y'all probably know where it is. I'm just blind. Okay. Anyway, 10 a spin. Come on, Hillbilly Eagle. It's 10 lines. I don't remember if I said that or not. We want a banjo playing eagle. Come on, buddy. Ooh, go, go, go. Oh. We needed an eagle there. I didn't even know you could get 5 eagles, and I saw a lady do it. But man, get an eagle in there. I really want free games. I hadn't even seen one free game symbol yet. There's one. Need 3 of those. 3 of these guys. Come on, Eagle Bucks. See, I'm used to those 5 reel old school games where that is a line. So it always confuses me. Go. Needed one more beefalo. Still not bad. Come on, free games. No. Do it. Yeah, I mean, it just feels like it should go up. Okay. Two. I still don't know how the jackpots work on this. I guess they're just random. They just go, hey, you won the jackpot. It's got 2 up there, a major and a major's 9,148, minor's 373. Go beefalo. Oh, you get down there or up there, whatever you go. Come on, Eagle Bucks. Well, this turned to poop, didn't it? Come on. Turn around, Hillbilly Eagle. Let's get going. Come on, you can do it. Go. I must have hit something I wasn't paying attention to because we got more money than we had. There's 4 wolves for 75. That's not shabby. Still haven't gotten 5 of a kind or free game. Well, no, we got 5 like jacks. Come on, come on. Yeah, there it is. All right. Come on, you Hillbilly Eagle. Give us something good. So if you get an eagle anywhere, it turns the whole reel. Now we want the big bonus, the one that has the lock. Yeah, we got it. Okay, this could be big. So this will lock it wild, and if an eagle lands anywhere, it turns the whole row wild. So this could be big. Come on, eagle. Nothing. Most of the time, it's just this isn't wild. So it's always exciting when you get that wild. It's like 2 different bonus features, but it's got to hit. You got to get eagles there. Eagle. There we go. I mean, we got something finally, but it's good. One more. Eagle it up. Eagle, eagle. Oh. Did we get anything 5'd? No, that stinks. That stinks. Oh well, can't complain. Can't complain. 838, so we won't go below 700. That was good. That was good. Thank you, Hillbilly Eagle. Oops, did I just go below 800? Did I say 700? I think I said 700 I wouldn't go below. I'm crazy. I'm still waking up, guys. I'm sorry. Go. There we go. All right, come on, Hillbilly Eagle. Give us another one that locks over here. No, we just got the regular one this time, but you can still win big on that. Come on, Eagle. Free trigger? No. Come on. Don't be jealous. Yeah, that was garbage. Total garbage. We didn't even get back to 800. Oh, now you show up. Now, okay. I see how it's going to be. Wow, that was bad, but that's okay. Yeah. Well, I guess we could do 5 lines. Let's see what that does. Yeah, I'm gonna stop there at 7:01. All right, guys, that was Eagle Bucks from the High Limit Room at, where am I? The Venetian in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching.